Good afternoon. Welcome. Today I'm going to create items with variations in AccountEdge. Some businesses may have a single item of inventory that it purchases and then resells, but will have various variations of the one type of item. So rather than creating t-shirts that are an item for red, blue, and green, men, women, or child sizes, you can have a single item, and from that single item, create variations. So I'm going to start in my command center under inventory, and I'm going to go to my items list. That brings up that panel screen. And I'm going to hit new, and I'm going to say t-shirts. I'm going to create items that are super t-shirts, and super t-shirts. You can have an item numbering sequence, but for my example, I'm just going to call them super t-shirts. So what I do with this is I actually buy this item. I'm not going to do an assembly in this sample, but I buy it, I sell it, and I inventory it. And in this case, I'm not going to do tracking of serial numbers because it's a piece of clothing, and that would be more geared to maybe some type of electronics that you might be reselling. So I have an income account, and then I'm going to assign a cost of sales account, and then I'm also going to assign an asset account called inventory. So when I choose this item, all the underlying accounting for purchasing the item and then the corresponding resale of the item will occur automatically without me having to pick a chart of accounts. You can spell check it from here. I could have copied it from another item. And if I'm stuck for some reason, I have multiple help screens that I can use. So then I have item details. And with those item details, I can put in various pictures of an item that I would like to attach, maybe the different colors or the different sizing. I've clicked on my JPEG, and I'm going to put a picture in here, but I can actually put a few different pictures and click OK. I also have some ability on this particular item for reporting purposes to gather some other demographics for it, such as brand, and I may be getting, and this is the super brand, I may be getting this or various other brands. And again, this is just for reporting purposes, and I can have some custom fields. But I want to kind of get into the meat of it, which is being able to build this item with variations. So as I move through my tabs, I can suggest a standard cost. If I were doing an assembly, work on various pieces of this where it'll remind me or do a to-do for if I need to restock the item, or my favorite vendor for reordering it, although I can use any vendor, and then embed the vendor's item number, because that could be different than my item number. And a reorder quantity. I don't want to get below 100 of this. Then you have some selling details. I can set up pricing levels, or if these t-shirts sell for $20 US, and I collect sales tax on this item, and I may in fact sell it on my web store. But to kind of move through it, what I really want to get down to is I'm going to kind of just jump over locations and go to the Variations tab, and in another series I'll cover locations and serialized numbers. So this particular item, I have super t-shirts, and this particular item I'm going to have various colors in it. I'm going to carry the super t-shirt in blue and red and maybe gray. And then I'm also going to carry this in boys, girls, men's, and women. And then I'm going to carry it in all these different sizes. I would actually click all the sizes and unclick the sizes. So I can add additional properties if I'd like. I've got color, size. There may be, like in a t-shirt, you might have a cuff sleeve, a V-neck, and I would just say, like a V-neck, a neckline. I could just add more variations to it, neckline, and add that to it. So with that said, from here I'm going to just go ahead and create my variations, and it's going to make 84. That really saves a lot of time in trying to figure out what I'm going to sell. And the software's just going to go ahead and crank away and do that for a minute. Okay, and I'm just going to say OK at this point. And as you can see now, I've got, when I select this item, I've got all my different variations of what I'm going to be selling. Thanks for listening.